Oh, nangitang Tita Ikang dong? You looking for Tita Ikang? Aww. You are looking for Tita. She's coming later, baby. She's just working at the moment, but she'll come later. Blue, what blue? Good morning! You have ano here, toys. Here, it's here. Is it there? Gamit na gamit yung karton kahapon from shopping. Ballpit man daw to, sabi ni Ayla. Okay, which one? Wait, let me just get it. Here. He just wants that. Good morning! Dito guys, ako sa kwarto. Nagprito si mama ng dried fish. Tapos sobrang smoky. So umakyat ako dito, nagbihis. Tapos pagbaba ko, smoky pa din. Tapos nakabihis na ako. So balik ako dito, mag-edit na lang ako. And ang cute kasi nag-ring yung doorbell sa phone ko. And then nakita ko magbisita si Dan. Ang cute-cute niya. Siya na talaga. Pinapunta niya yung friend niya. Sila, boys day sila dun sa bahay. You right? Yung mga anak ko, pabalik-balik lang. Hindi ko pa pinalitan, pero nakaready na yung damit nila, guys. Papalitan ko na sana, kaya lang pagbaba ko nga dun, very smoky pa. Baby! Baby dinosaur! Oh my gosh, you're so lucky! So, ayan, nakaready na yung damit ni Arlo today, ni Ayla today. Kaya lang, mag-aamoy na naman kasi. Dried fish. So, inayaan ko muna. Ayan, oh. Kasi pabalik-balik sila sa baba, hindi sila nagsistay dito. And yung mga toys na sineparate ko kasi 'di ba ako ng mga toys from Shein, tapos hinati ko siya para pabalik sana yung ibang toys. Kaya lang nakita nila diyan sa luggage. So inopen na nila, which is fine. Bibili lang kami ng bagong toys para bago talaga sa paningin nila. Kasi same lang to na nalaro nila papunta dito. So at least pagbalik meron silang iba-ibang toys. And hinihintay lang namin mag-display yung mga toys kasi malapit na yung fiesta dito. Hindi namin aabutan yung fiesta actually. Yung fiesta is 16th of July. Kaya lang alis kami before ng 16th of July. So hindi namin maaabutan yung fiesta. Pero usually kasi mga weeks before the fiesta mismo, merong mga nagdi-display ng nagbebenta ng kung ano-ano like toys, yung mga nagdi-display sa daan. Pero ngayon wala pa. It's too early. It's 29th of July. So, we're hoping na 1st of July mag-start na sila mag-display para ma-enjoy ng mga bata. Tapos yung perya, my gosh, yun yung ko talaga nilulook forward ko yung perya para ma-experience ng mga bata. Yung maliit nga lang na balloon dun sa maliit na parang fair na parang laro-laro dun sa mall. Tuwang-tuwa na sila. How much more sa perya na sobrang dami, diba? So, excited ako dun. Kaya lang wala pa nga. But ang cute ni Daddy. Daddy has a friend, ate. Look. Daddy's friend's car. Here, see? Can you see? Daddy has a visitor. Do you miss Daddy, Bob?
Why visit her?
Visit him?
Why visit him?
Because maybe Daddy's sad and he wants a company.
Why?
Yeah, look. I think it's Tito Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy.
Not the Dimmy.
Yeah, I think it is Uncle Jimmy.
The Dimmy.
I'm not sure. Let's see.
Why,
He will get out
Daddy?
the car soon.
Why Daddy's sad?
Because he miss you guys. He miss you so much.
Let me hold.
Yeah, let's see.
Why not tell me now?
Not yet, just wait. And don't press anything, ha? Inano ko lang kasi yung
Why
playback.
Daddy not tell me out?
Huh?
He don't see.
Well, he hasn't pressed the doorbell yet. We're watching. Medyo mabagal kasi ang bagal ng internet dito. Nakakaloka. Ang bagal ng internet
He
namin.
said not tell me out.
Not yet, not yet. He will come out soon. Just wait a minute. Come out, friend.
Why Daddy sad?
Because he missed you and Arlo.
Why?
He must miss playing with you guys. He loves playing with you every night when he comes home from work. And every night he comes home from work, you're not there. He's alone.
Why?
He must miss you so much because you're here with Mama. Are you having fun here though?
I want to look after Dodie fish and Tanny fish.
Sorry?
I want to have Tanny fish and Dodie fish.
I don't understand.
Dodie fish and Tanny fish.
Huh?
So today,
Dodie.
Oh, is that for me?
Hmm.
Ooh, more package.
Hello.
Thank
What's that,
you.
Mom?
Oh, that's from Tita Bianca, that one. Why is this not moving? Let's just... he's on the phone. That's okay. He's gonna come out soon. I think it's Tito Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy.
I think
Oh
it's
my gosh, baby. Let me see. Hala. What happened?
what, Mom?
You've got rashes on your chest. Let me see, B. Nagkaka-rashes ka, B. Dahil ba sa tubig yan? Ito pa naman yung hindi sensitive yung skin. Si Arlo yung napaka-sensitibo ng skin nun. But look at you. Hala. What is that?
Mommy!
Yeah, he's out. Wait, who's that? Who is it?
Uncle Jimmy.
Uncle Jimmy! Aww.
Why did him?
Aww. First time niya ata makapunta sa bahay namin.
Why, Uncle Jimmy, my daddy, why is it him?
Huh? Because he must not be working and he wants to visit Dada. I like his car. Do you like his car? It's a really nice car.
Mom, why don't have hair?
He's bald. Aww. That's nice. Ang tagal na nilang hindi nagkita nito eh. Kasi pareho silang busy. That's good.
I don't have hair.
He doesn't have hair. He's bald. But
Like
that's
Puppy.
okay. Like Puppy. And like who else?
Hmm,
Who else doesn't have hair? Tito Wings.
It's next.
And and Lolo. That's Tito Jimmy. Guys, habang nagre-relax kami dito, may dumating na package and Ayla wants to open it now. This is from Tita Bianca. And she wants to open it now. Alright, go open. You can open it now. Do you need help? Okay. Alright, ready? Okay, let me open. This is from Tita Bianca.
It's not for boys. You and me.
Is it for you and me?
Yeah.
We'll see. I think this is for you and Alo. So, nagpunta sila ng
And
Japan.
Daddy.
Really?
Mom, what is that?
Here, you open that. Do you know how to open that?
No.
Alright.
I think toys inside.
You think so? Oh my gosh, you are so lucky. Ito yung mga apakagandang magkakapatid na nakita namin sa Solea, guys. Last trip natin dito. Oh my gosh, that's for baby!
It's for me.
Oh!
It's for me.
Let's see. What is it? Open. Oh my
Hello.
It's for Anna!
Yeah, you got it.
Oh my gosh, you found it for Anna!
Mom,
I
what?
think we're looking for a size 7. This is a tad too big for Arlo, but this is perfect. Alam nyo guys, ang hirap,
No,
di
you
ba?
get bigger, and bigger.
Yeah, he will get bigger and bigger and bigger. Oh my gosh, thank you, B! Wait, the note out
What about
there.
me?
May you have a fun and well-rested trip here in the Philippines. Got Ayla, Arlo, and baby girl a few stuff we saw in Japan. We are so excited for baby number 3. Hope you will have a safe delivery in
Mommy,
September.
this
We
is
love you
for
guys.
you.
Arlo's sweater is too small na pala for baby girl na lang. Ah, this is from Bianca, Pat, and Bea. Guys, thank you.
It's my toe.
Thank you, Bianca, Pat, and Bea. Why?
It's mine.
Yeah. Oh, look. Here, this one. I think that one's for you. Oh my gosh, I was so close to buying that. I'm so glad I didn't buy it because she got it for you.
This is yours.
No, it's yours. Nakita ko to sa Uniqlo. I was so close to buying this. Buti lang hindi ko binili.
Mom.
Why? What do you mean? It's perfect. Do you wanna wear it today? It's perfect. Yeah?
This is big.
No, it's not.
It's
Do you wanna
big.
try it on and see? Don't stomp your feet.
I don't like
Wait sa guys, wala dito sa kwarto yung tripod ko na mahaba. So, nakapatong lang kayo dyan sa bed. Thank you, be. Oh my gosh, nanonood talaga sila ng vlog. Alam nilang hirapan ako. Wala talaga, hindi talaga kami nakabili. Sa Singapore din kasi wala na kaming time maglibot-libot because the kids were so tired and I was so tired as well. So, hindi talaga namin na-check kung mayroon sila nito. But thank you, be. Oh my gosh, I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, bebe. So, that's for Arlo. We'll show Arlo later. And meron pang mga lip products dito. Color tint. Multi-use tint from Colorette. Thanks. Oh, from Glossier. I don't have any Glossier products, but I've heard a lot of good things. Cloud Paint.
Mama.
Yeah, oh, thank you, baby. Ito yung magkakapatid na. Gandang-ganda ako sa kanilang tatlo talaga. Nakita namin sila sa Soleya. And sila yung may-ari ng... Ito! Wait. They own the nipple, guys. See? Dala-dala ko pa yan. It's a nipple tape. They're selling this. I use it. Lalo na kapag nagbabakasyon. So, please check out Nibble. Ang babait ng may-ari nito. She wants to open it for her sister. You wanna open it now?
It's a poo-poo.
Yeah.
It's not poo-poo.
It's not poo-poo. We will open it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's Thomas.
It's dramas for baby.
This is Toads.
Yeah, so we've got this one. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to. Alam niyo naman yan. You didn't have to do this at all. But thank you for thinking of us. They got this in Japan, ate. How good is that?
This is Toads.
What is this? Another dramas. What is this, Ayla? What print is this? Look.
Butterfly.
Butterflies. That is so nice. Last one. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay.
Is this that one?
I love it. Thank you, babe.
Which is that?
Huh?
That's Thomas. Oh, Toads.
Jamas. Jamas and clothes. That's what baby will wear all the time anyway. Just stuff like this. So that's perfect.
Baby, wear this in his socks.
Yeah. Oh, I think that's yours. I think they got that for you. Oh my gosh, seriously?
I
think
don't
it is
like.
yours. Grabe naman siya. Ang ganda kaya nito. Is this for girls or for... We got these shorts. Thank you. And look at that. Oh my gosh. Ay, ito ba yun, be? No, kasya pa to kay Arlo, be. Kasya pa to, guys. Yeah, perfect. Ang ganda naman ng tela. Ang ganda talaga ng tela ng Uniqlo. Thank you. Ay! Tingnan niyo siya. Pina-open niya sa akin. Tapos iniwan ako. Umalis na. Hindi niya nakita siguro yung gusto niya makita. Akala niya makakita siya ng toys. But kasya pa to kay Arlo. Thank you, be. I think this is for Arlo as well. Partner nung kaya lang ito malaki pa. But thank you. Ipasuot ko na to sa kanya siguro sa airport. Airport outfit niya pagbalik namin. Kasya pa to sa kanya, pero next year hindi na. So yeah, pwede din tong ipasuot kay baby. Salamat. And, oh my gosh, I love this cardigan. Oh, that's perfect. Airport outfit din ni Ayla pabalik. Mag-cardigan lang siya. Ganda naman. Thank you. And yeah, as in, nakita ko talaga sa Uniqlo, guys. Nung pinaka-first day talaga namin dito. Tapos nag-shopping kami kasi nga naiwan namin yung luggage namin. And I was looking for like clothes for the kids. I was so close to getting this. I'm glad I didn't because we got it. Thank you, girl. Salamat. Ang ganda nito. Gusto ko nga ng malaki nito eh. Twinning kami, Ayla. Sana hindi ko makalimutan. I will leave the links of Nibble, yung nipple cover nila, guys, sa description box. I use that sa Bali. And I can say na as in it works talaga. It sticks on, it stays on. And it's really good quality. So, ililive ko siya sa baba. And yeah, let's support the girls. They deserve it. Thank you, girls. Alis kami, guys. Napatulog ko na si Arlo. Na-promise ako dito sa isang to. Nalalabas kami. Do you want your hair like that? Do you want me to fix it?
I want my hair like this.
Okay. Ito yung binili naming mirror kahapon. Oh, buy one, take one. Ang mura lang nito, 500. Magkano ba to? Ewan ko.
Dili ra na isang
Ewan ko eh. Huwag na, natakot na ako. Baka
Can you stop?
basag na naman. Nabasag ko yung isa. Come on, Ayla. We're just waiting for Tita Rich and then we're gonna go out. Kasi maganda yung weather. Oh, hindi mainit.
And Lola?
Lola?
Yeah.
No, I don't think Lola's coming.
But Tito Mark's coming.
Let's go. Put your slides on, baby.
Later na tayo sa shadow. Yung pala yung
Yeah, that's the right way. Good job. Well done, babe. Diretso tayo, Albertos. Tingin din tayo, ice cube ba? Ice cube tray. Para marami tayong ice cube.
Lamig kayo mag-ice coffee do.
Ako. Albertos is the way to go. First time ko lumabas ngayon na dito ba palakad-lakad. Kapon Yeah. Ikaw? Lumabas ka na ba? Ay, lumabas ka na pala. Let's go eat. Oo nga pala, nag-zumba pala to sila. You want pizza, ate? Pizza time! Ooh, beef and mushroom! Oh, they have rice meals too, ate. What do you feel like eating? Hala, diretso ka ice cream? No, food first. I'll let you eat ice cream when you finish your food. Do you want hot dog? What do you want? Just that? Okay, you choose. Which one?
I want watermelon.
Watermelon? Okay. Alright. Tito she wants watermelon. Tara ay. You wanna eat it now? Okay. We'll pay for it first. Huh? No. Sorry.
I think baby wants ice cream.
Really? Ask, baby.
No, baby.
Yeah.
Huh?
Baby, I think baby's not tired yet.
No, she's not tired. She's awake.
Baby, you want to eat your ice cream?
Batasaan pa dyan.
Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
I think baby likes
Yummy.
it.
I know. It's good. Do you want Tita Rich to try it? Tita Rich, try. Lami.
Anak mo ka.
Lami. Oy, miss, kuan ka ng ansa ni?
Soup.
Hot sauce. Diyan mo lang ilagay yung hot sauce yung sa kabila. Ano?
Mom, I don't
Kasi si Ayla kakain ng Hawaiian.
think that.
Yeah, no, Tito's not gonna put that. Let's eat. Hawaiian, guys. Oh. Tapos ito yung paborito ko, beef and mushroom. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat. Yo.
Beef and mushroom at pizza pie.
We don't have cheese.
No, it's got cheese all over it, baby. Let's eat. Oh my gosh. Kain.
That one don't have cheese.
Galing, may pie na.
Isa pa.
Pie na eh.
Why don't
No,
have
pizza
cheese?
pie.
Cheese.
I don't
Why
know.
don't cheese?
It's got cheese too.
Careful, Inday.
Meron actually kaming ulam.
Malibe.
Ah, cheese.
Eat it. What do you want? You want just the cheese?
Beef and mushroom. Itong Hawaiian. Ulam. Perfect. Ano to? Quick melt.
Oh, Mom. Put it in the middle. It's so yummy. I like cheese, Mom.
You like that? Don't play with it, please. If you're gonna eat it, take out the piece and eat it. That please. Here. Dahil agad, no? Iba talaga yung pizza na ganito kaysa sa...
Mom.
Kasi sa Australia, hindi ako kumakain ng pizza.
Atong tinood na pizza.
Haba?
Yeah.
Ako Domino's.
I got a big one.
Hindi mo
Iba talaga. Ayoko yung... Yeah.
kayo kuhan.
Gusto ko yung ganito lang, yung simpulan lang.
I found mushroom.
Oh, wow! Eat it.
That's a yummy one.
Dito kami sa Hinky. Ito ng bata, may dala ng bubbles. Oh! Wow! Look at this. What did you find? What is this? What is this? What's inside?
Balloons.
Balloons? Do you want it? Yeah? Okay.
Sige ko anak niya.
Pew pew! Hala, 6,801.
Huh?
Joke.
Ha?
Kamera daw ni mo. What do you want, ate? She's still deciding. She put it back. Binalik niya. Bahay na as. Kanina walang init. Nung papauwi na kami, guys. Init-init na. Tapos nagmamadali ako kasi naiihi ako. Ito yung nabili namin sa Hinky. Ang mumura lang. Magkano lang tong bubbles? Hindi ko na alam. Basta ang mura lang nito. We got a blue one and Isla's got a pink one. She's using it right now. Nadapa pa kasi bubbles ng bubbles. Naglalakad. Ito binili ni Mark. Ang mumura lang nitong mga to. And ito pinili ni Ayla, oh. Maganda siya kasi hindi siya di battery, hindi din siya charge. Ganunin mo lang. Manual. Ganun, oh. Pero okay lang, mabalik mo pa din. Kahit i-post mo. Yeah. So, Minion, kasi for Arlo daw. And ito. Para kay Ayla. Wala naman masyadong, okay daw. Okay lang din. Lipay na kay siya. Slide na kay taan ni Deriron. Pilit na kay taan ni iyang babos. And tingnan niyo yung binili namin kay Arlo. Pew pew! Tines ni Kuya? Tines ni Kuya? Babarilin ni Arlo yung mga ano niya, dino niya. Ano natin to? I-set up natin to pagising niya. Pabaril natin sa kanya yung kanyang mga dino. Pero pa itlog. Practice ba para pagdating ng perya? Ang galing-galing na ni Arlo mag-shoot. Yung iba dito kay Miss. Ito, Band-Aid, ang dami. Mura lang nito. Magkano lang to? Maganda to for Ayla kasi ang hilig mag-waste ng Band-Aid niyang batang yan. Kailangan ko din ng Band-Aid for my Coco! Hala, speaking of Coco, yung ating pinsan, ano na. Nagla-lunch na yung mga anak ko, guys. Kumakain chicken. Good?
Yummy? Yummy?
Yummy, guys? Finish. Yummy.
A truck.
Huh? A truck, yeah.
Those tractors.
Yeah. Is it a big truck? Pagpalit ng saging dito. Pagpalit ng barbecue saging. Pagpalit na si Mimi.
Kamera to ha?
Ha?
Sila ka lang. Doon kayo.
Paano nini mo ba yan?
Wala pa. Pila ka po?
Ha?
Ako na ba?
Ayun na ni Dudong.
Kamu na naman tayo?
Yeah, ikaw?
Kamu sa?
Kamu mga among saging, te? Papalit na sila saging.
Hello?
Snacks mami
Pila ka
dire.
po ka na?
Tulo. Tulo sila. Ate, tanawas eh. Ang tawag ni Ayla. Is it yummy? Oh my gosh!
Mom, I share my chicken to Abba.
I know you share your chicken to Arlo. You're such a good ate.
I feed him.
You feed him, did you? Did ate feed you? What do you say to ate? Thank you.
Yaya.
Ate Ayla.
Yaya.
Ate Ayla. Yummy. Oh, you're feeding him chicken. Oh, well done, baby. Such a good auntie.
I share my chicken to him.
I know you do. You like this chicken? Okay. What? Yeah. Yummy?
Cute Arloy. I guess my life.
Good job, ate. No, that's okay. He's fine.
No.
Is it good? Crunchy chicken? Nice?
I feel Lava.
Happy kay Dudu.
Dami ang kaon chicken. Asa sila gravy? Awa.
Mag-ready.
Tara.
Ay, oh.
Sus, kanina pa yan nila hinihintay. What's that, Ayla? Who is it? Did you give her a big hug and a big kiss?
Hug and kiss! Hug and kiss!
Big hug and big kiss.
There's more.
Who is it? Hala. Alala si Arlo. What? What do you say?
I love this. I hug.
Hug! Hug and kiss! Ganina ra kay kanya gihiwat, day.
Ganyan, ikaw sila atin mo.
Kapila na namang giinit ang utan, day. Bring it down, ate. Bring it down. Akala niya laruan to. Alams na. Oh.
Barbie! Yummy!
Wow, it's good. It's so yummy.
Ayla, there.
Go for the burger.
Your favorite.
It's so yummy.
Yay! Alo!
Open.
Ay, nako si Arlo. Kain tayo, guys. Manok at saka utan. Nagluto pala si mama ng utan. Oh. Kanina pa yan. Hindi namin nakain ng lunch kasi nagpinsa kami. Ayun.
Dapat din doon.
Utan, kabuyag.
Hindi na lang kamukha niya.
Kain.
Lolo, ano gusto mo, Arlo?
Ito yung gipangita sa una, diba? Sa 7-Eleven.
Kani mo kani?
Oo.
More present. Oh my gosh, what did you get? That is so cool. That's perfume, Arlo. You want perfume? Ang bango-bango nito. Who gave it to you, ate? Relax. Hey, don't hit. Don't hit. Hey,
It's for me.
I know it's for you. What do you say to Lisa?
Ikaw? Tignan bigyan niya ba?
Lagi.
Sam.
Say!
Mas mami.
Mommy, open it. Like this.
What are you gonna do? It's not a drink, ha? Nagtuos green juice.
Smell!
Smell.
Bantay. Sige, bantay ha. Buhi.
Sam.
Sirado. Kabalo siya.
Thank you, Inday.
Smell!
Thank you, Tita.
Ibutang sa yan.
Alos.
Ibutang sa yan.
That is so cool.
Bantay ha.
Ay, ang perfect naman ito. Alo, it's perfume.
Perfume.
It's
Put it
perfume.
here, Ayla.
Smell.
Smell.
Yeah. Nasa labas kami, maghahalo-halo sana kami, kaya lang wala daw. Watch out ha. Pero ang saya ni Arlo, buyag. Mickey Mouse, watch out. Si bye-bye motorbike. Bye-bye. Bantayan na. Alis silang tito niya. Bilis sila makakain. Ah, sige.